back to the BeFitNow channel. Robert here, your certified personal trainer. Today we're featuring circuit training. In my 22 years of helping clients be the best version of themselves, what I've learned is circuit style training really helps round out the workout, especially in a time-starved economy. Usually the day is go, 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 and you gotta get in and get it done. This allows you to combine resistance training as well as cardio training because there's no rest between each exercise within the circuit. We'll rest between sets slightly, but then we'll continue hitting muscle group after muscle group after muscle group. This will give you that cardio core blast. This will boost your metabolism through your resistance style training and tax all your energy systems at the same time. For the exercises being showcased, we're going to need some specific equipment. We're going to use a V-bar and we're going to use the Olympic bar. If you don't have this equipment, be sure to visit the website. And for Canada, it's BeFitNow.ca, and for the US, it's BeFitNow.us. You can also see those links in the comment section below. The beauty about circuit training on the Relentless machine is that you can customize the workout to the muscle groups that are priority for you in the day. Our first circuit is going to feature synergistic training. It's going to involve a push press, which is a compound movement, followed by an isolated V-bar row, and then we're going to transition right away into a bicep curl using the cable feature on the Relentless machine. Let's begin. For this circuit, use a weight that you can do 8 to 12 reps with using proper form. Starting with the push press, let's begin. Standing tall, I'm going to squat down, keeping a tight core, chest out, the natural arch in my spine, and then we're going to press at the top of the movement. Remember, control that negative and explode into the positive. All right, transitioning right away into my row, shoulders back, chest out, head forward, pelvic tight, engage those glutes, pull to the stomach. Okay. Now we're going to quickly transition over to the bicep curl. For the bicep curl, we're going to grab the bar, we're going to stand tall, engage that core, elbows stay into the sides, and we're going to curl upwards. Hands about shoulder width apart, same with feet, about shoulder width apart. Let's begin. Circuit 1 is done. For the leg circuit, we're going to feature a leg press, a leg extension, and a leg curl. We've set up all our equipment. We have our mat in place. We have the press plate installed. Over here, we have our leg extension, leg curl accessory installed, and our fitness box ready to execute the exercise. If you need any of this equipment, visit the links below, BeFitNow.ca or BeFitNow.us. Let's begin. Now we're going to showcase a push-pull circuit using the Relentless machine. We're going to start with a chest press. We're going to follow that up by a cable fly, and then we're going to end off with our lat pull down. For the next circuit we're showcasing on the Relentless machine, we're featuring shoulder raises, seated rows, and tricep kickbacks. We're hitting our shoulder, back, triceps. Let's begin. Today we showcased a comprehensive full body circuit system using the Relentless machine. We featured push press style exercises as well as synergistic training. If you have any questions, be sure to place them in the comment section below, and remember, like, comment, subscribe. Be fit now, stay strong.